Realme, the country's #1 smartphone brand for Q1 2021, is set to launch its latest entry-level offering, the Realme C25S, in the Philippines on June 15th. Coming off the launch of its widely successful Realme C25 back in April of this year, the Realme C25S promises upgraded performance at the same price. With the Realme C25S, users can look forward to incredible performance as it now comes packed with the Helio G85 gaming processor. This guarantees a smoother overall experience that mobile gaming enthusiasts and other tech-driven individuals will love. This powerful processor makes the Realme C25S capable of handling any mainstream game and other day-to-day tasks with ease and performance. The Realme C25S also guarantees top-notch reliability to keep up with the youth's on-the-go lifestyle. Similar to the Realme C25, it also obtained a TÜV Rheinland Smartphone High Reliability certification, having passed 23 major tests, including 10 daily use test scenarios, extreme environment tests, and component reliability tests. This means users can count on the Realme C25S for outstanding quality reminiscent of flagship models.